Hello everyone and welcome. This is Chloe with Cousin DIY. Today I'm going to teach you how to make these daisy chain stretch bracelets. I have 4 different colors here on my arm. I'm going to get set up and I'll be right back so we can get started. For starters, I have cut a 2-foot length of gossamer stretch cord. And I'm going to put my bead stopper about 2 inches or so from one end to hold my beads on. And then I'm going to be using this Big Eye beading needle to slide my beads onto the cord. So we will start with 3 bronze E-beads. And I'm going to push those down to meet the bead stopper. Next, I'll add 4 pink E-beads. And 1 bronze E-bead. The next step is to bring my cord back through the first pink E-bead that I added, going in the opposite direction. And at this point, it's really helpful to slide all the beads down as snug as you can to the bead stopper. And then we're going to string on 2 more pink E-beads. And then we're going to bring the stretch cord through the 4th E-bead, pink E-bead that we first strung on. At this point, we're going to play with the cording a little bit. We want it nice and snug, and I find it's helpful to snug your bead stopper up against the first bronze E-bead. And we're just going to keep repeating this pattern throughout the bracelet. You can add more daisies for a wider wrist or fewer daisies for a smaller wrist. I'm just going to keep repeating this pattern. At this point, it's helpful to take a little tape and tape down your first flower. And I'll keep taping down each flower as I make it. Each time you make a flower, you want to make sure that you're snugging your beads down so they're right against the bronze E-beads. We'll tape this and then I'll just keep going. Okay, now that I have all of these strung on, I'm going to go ahead and remove my tape. This is also a good opportunity to test your stretch cord and try to make sure that all your flowers are nice and snug. And then we're going to tie the ends together in a stretch cord knot. And to do that, we're going to wrap 1, 2, 3 times, pull it snug, and then do 1 more. And then I like to snug the knot up so that it won't come apart. And then just trim it. There, you can trim a little more. Thanks for joining us today. If you make your own daisy chain stretch bracelets, we'd love to see them. Please share them with us on Instagram at #CreateWithCousin. See you next time. Take care. Bye.